Hi crafty friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful night. Here in Texas, it actually wasn't that bad today. I mean, it was actually cloudy in the morning and it felt a little steamy, but it wasn't that bad. I don't think it went over 100 degrees. But anyway, so today we're going to do an unboxing. But first, before we do the unboxing, I would like to say thank you to my friend Diana from Diana Loves Colors. She has a YouTube channel, and thank you, Diana, for referring me to this company. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate you. And also congratulations, because she has 500 plus subscribers. So please go check out her channel. She is a very sweet and kind person, and what I love most is her soothing voice. It's just very, very soothing and relaxing, and I just love her voice. Okay, so the company is called Diamond Painting Shoppe. And guys, this came in a brown box. So it came a box inside another box, and this box is huge. I mean, look how thick it is. It's just huge. Okay, so it says Diamond Painting Shoppe. That's the logo. And then it says create art that makes you smile. Okay, DIY Diamond Art Kit, all inclusive. See back for contents. Supporting artists with every purchase. So every time that you purchase from them, it's money that goes to the artists, and the artists deserve to be paid because this is a license. She uses licensed art work from artists. Okay, so it's just a beautiful box, guys. Look at the colors. I just love it. Okay, now in the back, it has what's included in the diamond kit. So it's got what is diamond painting, relaxing. It's for relaxing and rewarding. So diamond painting is known to be one of the most effective crafts to help you relax and relieve stress and anxiety. Has how it works, steps by step. And with each order, like we mentioned before, our diamond art painting collections are legally licensed. Collections also include art that is in the public domain, all rights reserved. Okay. All right, so let's open this baby. Money back 100% guarantee, and customer 100% happiness. And also in the box came this. Let's see, let's open this up first. So it came, well, let's look at the stickers first. Look at the pretty stickers, guys. Isn't that pretty? Butterflies and flowers, two things that I love. Diamond Painting Shoppe, create art that makes you smile. Thank you for your purchase. As a token of gratitude, please enjoy 10% off for your next purchase. Code thank you 10. Okay, we support the artist. So diamondpaintingshoppe.com. Okay, now, and it also comes with 2 washi tapes, which are very, very pretty. Okay, and it also comes with Smarties, candies. This will be for my mama, of course, or for Olivia, or for both of them. Okay. And I have to say that what I love about this company, guys, it's owned and operated by family. I believe 2 sisters and their mom, who is 102 years young, and she loves diamond painting, and God bless her. So anyway, and on the top, it has a picture of the painting. Okay. Let's move the box, the beautiful box over there. Let's see. Now, this painting, if I can get it out, let me get it out first. Wow, this is super heavy, guys. It must be the drills. Wow. All I can say is wow. Yeah. Okay, oh my gosh. All right, let's see. So look at all the drills. Oh my gosh. Oh, I see sparkle. Okay, so let's put that aside. Let's look at the kit. Oops, let's not lose anything. See if I can get it out. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so it comes with the tray, with a pen, with wax, with some very sharp tweezers, some placers, and the scrunchie part for the pen. That's for your hands, so your hands won't hurt. Okay, let me turn this baby around first. Oh, wow. It is big and gorgeous, guys. This is called Fresco Italy by David Maclean. And David is a painter for, I believe, for over 25 years. His artwork can be found all over the world. And he has paintings, puzzles, and diamond paintings, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna have to stand up here. I don't know if I can see, that's a problem. Okay, let's see. So like we mentioned before, it's from Diamond Painting Shoppe. Okay, and then it's got the legend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl this like I did with the other ones. Okay, that's better. Move this down. So it's got the legend here with the picture. It's a round drill, and the size is 67 by 94 centimeters. Okay, and then the legend has 62 colors, including 3 ABs and 3 crystals, which is pretty cool, because I don't think I own something like that. Do I? I don't think so. But anyway, look at this. Look at all. See at the bottom? So you got 3 ABs and 3 crystals. This is going to be so spectacular, guys, with all the sparkles. All right, so let's see. And then, of course, on the other side, you've got the legend on the bottom right hand side. And then in the bottom here, it tells you Facebook and Instagram, Diamond Painting Shoppe. Okay, what's on this side over here? And then again, al fresco tells you the name of the painting by David Maclean. Licensed by MGL, and in inches is 26.4 inches by 37 inches, which is 67 by 94 centimeters. So let's look at this beautiful painting, guys. So let's begin here. So here we have, it looks like a tree, maybe, I don't know. Wait, let me move this down. Then you have in back here, it's like houses, all different houses. Let me move this. Oh man. And then it's got a mountain in the background, which has like blue and green hues. And then you've got water in the middle. You got a sailboat. So houses. And what else? Ooh, let me move this. Careful. And it looks like here you got some wine, 2 cups, 2 seats for a couple to sit down. Some flowers. Oh, what is this here? I did not see this. There's a dog here, guys. I love dogs, by the way. There's a doggy here. And then you got another table here to dine with 2 chairs, some flowers. And again, just beautiful houses, trees, and then the water in the middle. And of course, this takes place in Italy, and beautiful Italy. And then look at the sky, and I'm not sure if these are birds, but these are probably birds. I'm not sure. Then just beautiful sky. And this sort of reminds me of, when I look at it, it reminds me of Lake Como in Italy, but like a smaller version. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. This is going to be spectacular. All right, so let's look at the label sheet, which is the color guide. Let me straighten this out. So here's the picture again. Actually, this is like a statue, a lion statue. Yep, those are birds. Well, let me bring this up so you can see it. Okay. And that's another boat. A couple of other boats here. Another boat. So there's lots of boats here. Beautiful buildings in the background. I think this is like a church or maybe like a tower. Can you imagine living there and waking up to this? Oh, wait a minute. There's cats here too. I love cats too, but I'm allergic to cats, unfortunately. It's absolutely beautiful. And I think this is another lion here, another lion statue. So Definitely reminds me of Lake Como. All right, and the canvas, guys, they use high quality lint custom canvas. Very, very soft. This is poured glue, and it's a full drill kit. What else? Okay, so maybe let's move this out of this beautiful painting out of the way so we can look at the drills. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna pick this up so you can see the colors. It's just too many, guys. So you got pink, peach, grays, purples, red, lots of greens, lots of blues, lots of yellow and orange, red, green, brown, and white. Okay, just beautiful colors, very bright colors. And then here we have the crystals, and so let's see. So you got a yellow crystal here. And then let's see, and then this one here, it's like a silver. And then this black one, which I'm not sure if it's a crystal. And then you have this one, it's an AB, it's yellow. It's a pretty yellow. And then the pink one is an AB. And this is like a red. It's like a red orange. Okay, so we're gonna bring back the painting, and we're gonna find out where these belong. Okay. Okay, so this one is the yellow crystal, and when you look at the legend, it's a yellow star. So you use basically look for all the yellow stars, which I am seeing here on the chair. It's like a yellow orange. There's some on the chair. On the other chair over here, in this chair. Oh, there's some over here on the house. I think this is like a wall. It's like a wall. Are there any up here on the tree? Nope. How about on the house? There's some here on the house. Let's see, where else? I guess they're scattered. Any over here? Nope. Okay. And then you have this one, which is the silver one. And the silver one, oh gosh, what is that? I can't even see because I'm blind. It looks like a number 1. So let's see. Maybe that's the, no, I thought maybe it was the lion. But I think this one is probably scattered everywhere also, guys. I'm trying to see if I can find at least one place. Come on. Let's see. Oh, right here, guys. There's some here. Right here. So I have no idea what that is. But they're going to be shiny. That's for sure. And there's some up here also. Up here. So some crystals there. Okay, and then the next one is going to be H. So wherever we see the uppercase H, and it's black or blue, not sure what color it is, but it's the chair. See this? The chairs and the table, the legs of the table. Okay, so that's gonna be nice. And then the yellow AB. The yellow AB. Let me see if I can see what this is. It's like a little R with a circle. Over here. All the yellow. It's on the flowers. Any over here? The dog? Nope. The chair? Nope. Oh, it's on the flowers. Okay, so it's on the flowers. And then this one, the pink one, AB, and it's like little dots. Also flowers. It's the flowers. Flowers over here, flowers here, flowers there, flowers everywhere. And then this last one, which is 62, and is a Z. And of course, again, the flowers. Flowers down here. See the red? Any there on the tree? Nope. How about up there? Nope. Yeah, it's the flowers. Here and here. So it's gonna look absolutely beautiful, guys. I like to say thank you to the owner, which her name is Rosa. Thank you again, Rosa, for sending me this beautiful kit, and I'm going to love working on it, and it's absolutely stunning. And I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. And thank you. Bye-bye.